The state forced to withdraw other boss case after failing to locate Blessed Durunes Geza. Sana bina mashoko anoshamisa panapa unaona kuti aiwa the state withdraw a case against aiwa another the other boss accused nekudefrauda mkomana anonzi Geza not boss subscribe or like on the bell icon tibina panapa tiona Geza achikonzeresa panguva inoi kwese aiwa people they are finding him amudanyira chi the state was on Wednesday forced to withdraw charges against the former Agriculture and Rural Development Authority ADA farmer boss Basil Nyabaza, accused of defrauding war veteran Blessed Geza of 1.3 million in a land deal. The withdrawal before plea came after state's failure to locate Geza, who is currently in hiding, following police announcements that he is wanted over a slew of criminal charges, including insulting President Emmerson Mnangagwa and theft. The investigating officer, Hilary Majekete, told court that he went to Geza's last known address, intending to serve him with the summons to attend court and give his testimony, but could not locate him. In an affidavit tendered before Harare Regional Magistrate Donald Dirowe, Majekete also said Geza was not reachable on his mobile phone. The magistrate who was presiding over the matter told Damajande he had also requested a self-citing personal reasons. Dirowe granted an application of withdrawal of the charges by prosecutor Anesu Chirenje, ruling that the matter will continue by way of summons. It is a state's case that October 29, 2020, Geza bought a piece of land from Nyabaza measuring 423,000 hectares for $1.3 million US. The court held that while Geza was in the process of obtaining subdivision permits for the land from the Department of Physical Planning in Mashonaland, West Province, he discovered that Nyabaza had sold the same land to Velda Estates. It is further alleged that Geza engaged Nyabaza, hoping for an amicable solution, only to discover that the agreement of sale had been cancelled without his knowledge. Tomashoko akubuda panapa tiona dzimwe nahu dziri kuinvolva Geza dzakuresurface panguva ino. Itudze mafundo emuri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.